welcome and welcome back to the channel, guys. Yes, what does this look like? It's 300, right? Chrysler 300. Yes. All right, guys, this is one of those incidents where I am following behind another tech. Now, I have no problem with that. Only good part about that, I'm left unresponsible for the diagnosis. Okay, so in other words, they diagnosed it. They are not here to do the job. They're not here to put the parts on. The parts just got here. So, nice guy that I am, somebody asked me to do, sure, why not? Let me tell you what I'm talking about. Now, the problem we having is a Evap leak, P0456. All right, y'all know what that stands for. A small Evap leak. And guys, let me show y'all this. Y'all see that? This is the vapor canister, right? This is where all the vapors are stored until needed, okay, or until it's time to be used. All right, yes, you can't store or hide vapors forever. Eventually gonna have to come out. So that's what the purge valve come in at. At a predetermined time, the purge valve will pull the vapors out of here and pull it back into the engine to burn at the right time. Not all the time, because you can cause problems, stall out, all kinds of issues. So it's at a predetermined time. Now, who determines that predetermined time? The computer, basically the PCM. It goes through some calculations and determines the best time to burn these vapors. All right, but the goal behind any Evap system is to not allow fuel vapors to escape the car. Okay, you don't want those vapors out in the atmosphere. Some scientist stuff that is doing harm to the atmosphere, so they don't want it. Which brings on the invention of the Evap system. Now, it's been out a while. They're just enhancing it more. But I just want to show you guys this. And I assume that's why he think this is a problem, or this is why he diagnosed this. It's hard to, well, I ain't going to say it's hard. Just I've never tried to reseal a leaking vapor canister with, is this JB well or just plastic? I assume they was trying to seal it. They say he did a smoke test and the smoke was coming, or the steam was coming from here. I'm just hoping he wasn't confusing that with the filter, because depending on where you do your vapor test at. But at any rate, I'm getting ready to replace this. We have a new one right here. Good thing about this, guys, it comes with an eSIM already on it. All right, all you got to do is put it out, put the new one in. Look at that. All right, so it depends on if you have no other issues as far as Evap leak. Yes, this should most definitely repair your car. One thing, guys, I do not want you to overlook, and it's the simplest thing of an Evap system. Yes, and that is the fuel cap. Okay, so let me go check y'all around here and show y'all this fuel cap and how I totally disagree with this, and I will take it upon myself to simply install a new gas cap. Y'all see that? Yes, guys, I've done countless videos on why not to use these brand new, keep in mind I said brand new fuel caps from AutoZone, Advanced Auto, doesn't matter. Something about FCA's fuel nick, it will not allow these to seal properly, even if they smack brand new. I don't get it. I don't understand it. I've had arguments with customers. That can't be the problem. I just replaced the cap. So I take them back here to show them where the steam or the smoke is escaping at. Lo and behold, it's coming right here. Even with this all the way on tight and everything, you can click in it all you want. It still seems to be a leak. So I'm gonna go a step further and go ahead and well, what I'm gonna do anyway is rerun the Evap test, run the smoke test. Anyway, guys, I'm just that kind of guy. Even though I'm not responsible, it's gonna be documented that JT replaced the part, so he's semi-responsible no matter what he says or think. Okay. All right, guys, how do you replace these? These are fairly easy. Oh, somebody already got this loose. Okay, I don't know what to cover it. Somebody left the cover off. I'm just putting the part on. So yes, remove this 10mm bolt, and this just gotta pry that out. That's a clip right there. So they're fairly easy to replace, guys. I'm not gonna go through the replacement procedure, because I'm just gonna pull this down and slide it from here. I need both of my hands to do that, and I'm holding the camera with one hand. So yes, let me see if I can do it like this. Alright guys, I have the clip out. Now it's just a matter of finagling it out. Oh, you will have to, okay, yeah, this hose is connected, so just push that in and pull up on that. Now the whole vapor canister, oh, there you go. That's it guys, that's all there is to it. How to replace a vapor canister on a Chrysler 300. Simply, it applies to most all the cars. They just connect it some type of way. So here we go guys. This is a new one, fairly easy to put on, so I won't bother filming out. I will go grab the smoke machine so we can do the smoke test and verify that it's fixed. Alright guys, stay tuned. Alrighty guys, so I have the new part on. As you can see, new vapor canister installed. I left this off because this is where my special tool gonna go to do this. Right, we're about to smoke test this. We're about to do a leak test. I'm gonna go with a leak test guys. Of course I need battery supply and I need an air supply. So let me tie my special tool that I made for this purpose. Tie that into the eSIM. I do all my leak testing at the heart and soul of the Evap system, which is the eSIM. Alright, so we're gonna take the hose and put it in here. Alright, so I got the hose nice and connected. Alright, air supply and electricity. So let's start with the leak test first. Leak test. What we're looking at is the ball guys, and see how low it get at a certain time. Alright, it's dropping. Now what I want to do is verify. Here's the line going to the car. Let me squeeze this and see if I drop to the bottom. Okay, I just simulated no leak. Alright, now open it back up. Okay, now it's performing the test fairly accurately. Alright guys, so hang tight. Let's see what this ball do. Alright guys, where are we? It's approximately 2, 3, maybe 5 minutes have passed. Oh, my ball is still not at the bottom guys. It's trying guys. That can give you a problem. Okay, you need to drop. So okay, so what I tend to do when this happens, I'll switch over to smoke. Alright, so I'm on the smoke part of the test. Now what you want to do is look around the area you just see. I don't see any. Let's go on this side. Oh, let's go take a look at this fuel cap. Uh-oh. Whoa. Oh, y'all see that big puff? Yes, guys. Oh no, see what I say about these cheap fuel? This thing is on super tight. I'm gonna go around again. Yeah, that cap is no good. I'm clicked on tight guys. So now what kind of guy would I be to just install the parts I was given and not verify that the car is repaired? That would make me a bad guy, so I'm not gonna do that. I will go get a, in fact, let me stop this. Let me go get a fuel cap for this car. They just got to add it to the ticket. I don't know how they're going to do it. You don't have to pay me any extra to run the test. I was supposed to merely put the part on and let it go. No. I have an image I want to protect. Okay, yes, that very well could be the problem. In other words, they very well could have 2 leaks. Okay, that's not off the table. A lot of guys, how could both of them be leaking? Easily, man. It can happen. I'm not saying that it happen often, but it can happen. Alright guys, in fact, let me do this. Y'all remember the charge I'm working on with the recall? It's still in my stall for some reason. I'm gonna take the fuel cap. Charger and 300 are pretty close to the same car. Oh, good. Alright, so I'm gonna take this. We're gonna install this on this 300 and rerun this test. Alright guys, follow me here now. Take this cheap. Look at all that steam coming out of there. Yes, these are no good guys. Don't. I might put one of those. I think I already used that on. Look at that. Feels so lovely. Now let's go back around and do the leak test. Let's see what happens. You don't have to do, the only reason I would do the smoke test if my leak test failed. Alright, so pay attention.